हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 102 रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से, और जो चैप्टर है वो है चैप्टर 15 द सीक्वेंस ऑफ टेंसेस। यहाँ पर दिया है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद एन एप्रोप्रिएट ऑक्सिलरी, रिमेंबर टू ऑब्जर्व द सीक्वेंस ऑफ सेंटेंस। जैसे फर्स्ट दिया है ही डाइड सो दैट ही डैश सेव द फ्लैग। ही डाइड सो दैट ही, यहाँ पर दो ऑप्शंस हो सकते हैं, माइट सेव द फ्लैग या कुड सेव द फ्लैग। दे इरेक्टेड साइन पोस्ट इन ऑर्डर दैट द रोड डैश बी नोन। दे इरेक्टेड साइन पोस्ट इन ऑर्डर दैट द रोड might be known. We eat so that we dash live. We eat so that we may live or we can live. Even if he paid me to do so, I dash not live in his house. Even if he paid me to do so, I would not live in his house. You dash go only if you have permission. You can go only if you have permission. On the understanding that you return soon, you dash go out. On the understanding that you return soon, you may go out or you can go out. A bridge was built in order that the dangerous ferry dash be avoided. A bridge was built in order that the dangerous ferry might be avoided. He begs from door to door that he dash keep body and soul together. He begs from door to door that he may keep body and soul together, or he can keep body and soul together. He was so tired that he dashed scarcely stand. He was so tired that he could scarcely stand. He went to England in order he dash become a barrister. He went to England in order he might become a barrister. You make such a noise that I dash not work. You make such a noise that I cannot work. He asked again whether supper dash be ready soon. He asked again whether supper would be ready soon. In order that he dash learn the language quickly, he engaged a teacher. In order that he might learn the language quickly, he engaged a teacher. He said that he dash do it. He said that he would do it. The thieves stole whatever dash they find in the house. The thieves stole whatever they could find in the house. He begged that we dash pardon him. He begged that we might pardon him. I wished that I dash come earlier. I wished that I could come earlier. He said that he dash try again. He said that he would try again. He worked hard so that he dash win the prize. He worked hard so that he might win the prize, or he could win the prize. We ran so that we dash arrive in time. We ran so that we might arrive in time, or we could arrive in time. He said that he dash give an early reply. He said that he would give an early reply. तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 102। आपको अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में।